Do you sometimes have this thought? How can I make extra money online? Why not try affiliate marketing? Getting commission for marketing or promoting another company's products is called affiliate marketing. The affiliate joins an affiliate program and promotes the products by using either paid ads or free advertising methods. Affiliate marketing has three key players. The merchant. The affiliate, that will be you. The customer. Affiliate marketing is like internet marketing because it includes content marketing, SEO, paid search engine marketing, as well as emailing marketing. So how does affiliate marketing work? You go online and join the affiliate program and sign up for free with a valid email address. Then you decide which products you want to promote. It is a good idea first to perform research on trends and reviews before you make your decision. The affiliate program will provide you with an affiliate link for each offer. You place an ad on your website about the product that you are promoting. It is not an issue if you do not have a website because you can include the advertisement on your social media account, whether on Facebook or Instagram. The customer views the ad on your site and then clicks the affiliate link and is then sent to the merchant's site. The customer shops on the merchant's website. The merchant will confirm the sale of the product and notify you. Then, you earn a commission, which is usually a percentage of the sale. There are primarily 4 types of compensation methods that are used by different affiliate programs. It would help if you first asked what method the merchant uses before you join the program. The different methods are pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, pay-per-action, and pay-per-mile. Pay-per-sale. How this compensation method works is that when the customer clicks on the affiliate link, it goes to the product page of the merchant's website from which products can be bought. Then when the customer clicks on the purchase button, the sale is recorded. The affiliate then earns a commission which is a percentage of the sale. Most affiliate programs use this type of compensation method. Pay-per-click. The affiliate marketer obtains a commission from the merchant every time a visitor clicks the affiliate link on the website or social media platform. Pay-per-action. The visitor needs to perform a particular action on the website for the affiliate to earn a commission. The action can be to sign up for a monthly newsletter, download an ebook or create an account. Pay-per-mile. Another phrase for this is pay-per-impression. The compensation is earned for every 1,000 views that occur on the merchant's website or adverts. So how much does affiliate marketing pay? The amount of money that you make as an affiliate marketer is limitless. The commissions are based on the sales, clicks, actions, or views that are made based on your referrals. The merchant allocates a commission value for every product. Some merchants pay 10 cents, or $10, or $25, or $40, or more per conversion. Through a lot of hard work, you can make hundreds or thousands of dollars per month. So what are the benefits of being an affiliate marketer? First of all, you are the boss. Affiliate marketing is an online business, and you are the business owner when you join the affiliate program. You make the decisions about how you are going to market the products. You decide on your working hours and where to work. You also determine which program you want to sign up for and for how long you remain in the program. Little funds are needed to become an affiliate marketer. Starting an ordinary business needs more money, especially if you will be selling products. Affiliate marketers do not have to worry about purchasing stock, having packaging expenses, storage costs, logistic costs or paying for insurance cost. You will have a lot of cost savings as an affiliate. You do not need a product to start. When you are an affiliate, you do not need to own the product that you are promoting. Your only job is to advertise the product and not worry about getting the product delivered to the customer. You also can promote products from different companies. You do not need a website. Having a website is a significant advantage, but it is not necessary. You can promote products using social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. You do not need to stress about customer service. You do not have to deal with customer issues like complaints and product returns. You also do not need to process any customer sales or payments. It is the merchant's job to do all of this. Before marketing a product online, consider the following. First, investigate the niches you want to specialize in. A niche is a specific market segment that you want to focus on. Health and fitness, dating, self-improvement, or making money are examples of niches. There is a variety of different niches to choose from, and it will be beneficial to first perform research on different market segments. Aim to select a niche that you are personally interested in, because this will make your career as an affiliate much more enjoyable than promoting a product, because it will make you a lot of money. Secondly, devote time to content marketing. Content marketing is when you apply a strategic approach to creating relevant and valuable content to attract customers. Content includes articles, videos, webinars, blogs, ebooks that provide solutions to daily problems. As an affiliate, you need to invest your time in content marketing to be successful. Gain knowledge about the product you want to promote. Before you begin the process of promoting the product, you need to first find out about your target customer. You need to make sure that you know the product's characteristics and key features. It is a good idea to ask for the sample of the product from the merchant so that you can test its usability. Make it your aim to provide products that are of high quality and also provide accurate information about the products so that you build credibility and trust with customers. Affiliates normally use two ways to advertise a product online. They can place advertisements on social media platforms such as Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or promote on Google or YouTube. Or through organic advertising. Organic marketing involves marketing products using search engine optimization, which includes writing blogs, email marketing, or recommending products on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram without placing adverts on the platforms and on YouTube. If you intend to market products organically, it will be a good idea to hire a search engine marketing company to assist you and provide you guidance on increasing traffic to your site. Affiliate marketing mistakes. This is what you should avoid doing when becoming an affiliate. If you choose to use email marketing, do not bombard the customers with too many emails. Only send them relevant information that they want. Do not sell products that you do not know very well or make false or misleading promises. Avoid promoting too many products that you have little knowledge of. Rather sell fewer products which you know very well and can specialize in. Do not promote low-quality products or products that you have not tested. The internet is constantly changing, and an advertising method that worked effectively 12 months ago might not work today. It would benefit you if you kept up with the latest trends and changes. For example, the search engine optimization techniques that worked a few years ago to increase your ranking on Google might no longer work today. Affiliate marketing needs a lot of hard work, perseverance, and patience. Many people give up too soon because it takes time to see results. To be an effective affiliate marketer, you will need to learn digital skills and know SEO, content creation, internet marketing, blogging, and much more. There are affiliate programs that provide training, but you can also upskill yourself by completing e-learning courses, watching video webinars, or reading e-books. If you are interested in getting skills and training on affiliate marketing, then click on the link below.